Hello guys. Question 44, it says two identical capacitors are connected in series as shown in the opposite circuit. So C1, C2, they are equal. C1 equals to C2. Okay? I can name it C. Okay? Now, if C1 is replaced by another capacitor with double plate area. Okay, so we double the area for capacitor C1, and C2 replaced by another capacitor with the triple distance. So we triple the distance in C2. Okay, which means I'm going to write the C1 bar or prime. Okay, after the change is going to be of course the formula before it is C equal epsilon A over D. Since for C1 we doubled the area, it means it's going to be epsilon 2A over D, which will be I put the 2 in the beginning, epsilon A over D, which is 2C1, right? Okay, now the C2 prime or bar. Okay, what did we do? We tripled the distance, so it's going to be epsilon A over 3D. Okay, which is going to be, I put the 1 over 3 aside, and it's going to be epsilon A over D, which is going to be 1 over 3 multiple C2. I can write C2, which is the same. Okay, I will write here C2, which is the same as I can write 1 over 3 multiple C1, because we agreed here in the top they are equal, right? Now, what do they want? They want the equivalent resistance. The equivalent resistance after the change. After the change, okay? So, the C total, let me change the color here. I'll choose green, okay. The C total is going to be 1 over, since they are in series, 1 over C1 prime plus 1 over C2 prime to the power negative 1. Now I substitute 1 over 2 C1 plus 1 over 1/3 C1 negative 1, okay? I fix this, is going to be 1 over 2 C1 plus 3 over C1 to the power negative 1. If I want to add these two fractions, of course, you know, they must have the same denominator, right? So it's going to be 1 over 2 C1. For the second one, I multiply up and down by 2, is going to be 6 over 2 C1. Again, the most important thing is to make the denominators the same in order to add, right? Okay, complete. This is the C total, is going to be, I add these two fractions, is going to be down here 2C1, and up I have 1 plus 6, it's 7. And of course to the power negative 1. If I want to get the CT, I have to flip this, so C total is going to be 2C1 over 7. Okay, so this is the answer, 2C1 over 7. Which answer is that? 2 over 7 C1, correct. Of course, this one is 2 over 7 C1. Okay? I hope it's clear. If you have any question, wait, before we go, let's just do question 45, because it's very small and simple here. No need to make another video for it. Question 45 is just asking me, the capacitors are connected in parallel to obtain. We know for the capacitors in parallel, we add. Okay? So in general, the C total is bigger than C1, and of course it's bigger than C2, right? So in parallel, I get a bigger or greater capacitance. This is one thing. Another thing, I know that energy equals to half CV squared. So when you have bigger capacitance, you will have bigger energy or greater energy, which means I need greater energy and greater capacitance. Which option is that? It's the C. As you can see here, it's the greatest capacitance and greatest energy. Okay, this is the correct option. Now I can say, if you have any question, please leave it in the comments below. Have a great day. Bye bye.